Hello fellow computer nerds. In this video, we'll take a look at how to print output in C. Before we can do that, let's open Dev C++, click File, then New Source. This will be our starting file. We'll start by looking at the most basic way to print output, using the printf function. Printf is a function that takes a string as an argument. But before we use it we must include the stdio header, which stands for standard input output. To add this header we type hashtag include open angle bracket stdio.h closed angle bracket. Secondly, we want an area to place our main code. This area is known as main in C. Main is the primary function when we run our program. To create this main function we type int, which stands for integer, and then main followed by an open and closed bracket and an open and closed curly braces. To print something to the screen in C, we use the function printf. Then open a bracket, and open and closed double quotes since we're printing what is known as a string. A string is like a collection of characters making up a word. You'll learn more about these in our data types video. In the quotations we can put whatever we'd like to print out on the screen, even bad words. But since this is a kid-friendly channel, I'll stick to hello world. A semicolon in programming indicates the end of a statement, so we put it after our closed bracket. Finally, we type return 0, this is because our main function is declared as an integer function, so it must return an integer. I'll tell you more about function return types in future videos. Remember to end your statement with semicolon or Dev C++ will scream at you. Once you're done, you can click execute. Compile and run. Save the file as whatever you'd like, but ensure that the extension is .c, not .c++ or anything else. You should now see a stunning, million-dollar program showing hello world on your screen. You can use printf as many times as you'd like. However, note that it does not insert a new line at the end of the output. You can see here that our next printf outputs in the same line as the first one. To insert a new line, type \n before the final quotation in printf. Execute, compile and run again. You should now see your next printf on a new line. Congratulations! You're a programmer, Harry. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Feel free to comment if you had any issues, I'll be happy to help. Cheers!